Hello guys, today I am going to be reacting to y'all's comments, part 3. Let's go! Shut up, you're not tough. Womp womp, I'm gonna keep doing this over and over and over. Blue is not tough. Blue's my favorite color, womp womp. Finally, not a hate comment. Come on! Never, I would never be a spawnist. Thank you. Holy crap, he commented. Thank you. Thank you. Womp womp. Cry me a river. No problem. Chicken jockey. No problemo, my amigo. Gracias, mi amigo. Well, that's the end, I guess. So, Braxton is.